Welcome back to Venture Coins. I bet you didn't know cryptocurrency. It sounds like something out of a William Gibson novel, but it's real and it's confusing the hell out of everyone. Basically, it's like digital money, but instead of being controlled by banks, it uses this complex system called blockchain. Imagine a giant public spreadsheet that tracks every transaction. Now, because it's not tied to any government or central bank, the value of cryptocurrency can fluctuate like a hummingbird on a caffeine bender. One minute it's soaring, the next it's nose-diving into the pavement. This volatility is part of what makes cryptocurrency attractive to some investors. They see it as a way to make a quick buck, but it's also what makes it so risky, especially for those who don't fully understand what they're getting into. Here's the thing about cryptocurrency. It's the Wild West out there. It's largely unregulated, which means there are fewer safeguards in place to protect investors. And where there's less regulation, there are more scammers lurking in the shadows, eager to prey on unsuspecting victims. Cryptocurrency's decentralized nature makes it difficult to trace transactions. This anonymity is a double-edged sword. It appeals to privacy advocates, but also makes it a haven for illicit activities. Scammers can disappear into the digital ether, making it nearly impossible to recover lost funds. And because cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and confusing concept for many people, it's easier for scammers to use sophisticated jargon and misleading promises to lure victims into their traps. Sadly, research shows that minority communities are disproportionately targeted by cryptocurrency scams. A recent study found that Black and Hispanic investors were more likely to have invested in cryptocurrencies than their white counterparts. This, coupled with systemic inequities in financial literacy and access to traditional banking, makes these communities particularly vulnerable to predatory schemes. Think about it. If you're already facing financial insecurity, the promise of high returns from a new and exciting investment opportunity can be tempting, even if it seems too good to be true. Look, we get it. Everyone wants to be the next Bitcoin millionaire. But gambling your savings on something you don't fully understand is not the way to achieve financial security. If you're looking for ways to grow your money, there are safer, more regulated options available. Index funds, for example, offer a diversified approach to investing in the stock market, and they come with significantly less risk than cryptocurrency. The most important thing is to be informed. Do your research. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or trust anyone who promises guaranteed returns. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And if you do encounter a cryptocurrency scam, report it to the authorities immediately.